Hello all, welcome to my channel Mademoiselle Pi. Today we will see the type method. Well, the type method returns the type of the argument that we pass as parameter. Type function is mostly used for debugging purpose. Let's have a look into the examples. The syntax is simple. We write down the name of the function and we pass an object of which we would like to know the type. In the first example, I have got four variables and let's print the type of each. The type of the variable A is an integer, the type of the variable B is a float, and the type of the variable C is a boolean. And the last one, the type of the variable D is a complex. Let's have a look into the second example. In the second example, I have got three variables, my string which is storing the value marbles, the list, and the tuple. Let's print the type of the variable myString, which you can see over here is str. Same goes for the variable mylist. The type is a list. And the last one, the type of the last variable myTuple is a tuple. And the last example for today is two variables. One is myTuple and the second is a dictionary. I have a conditional clause over here where I'm checking whether the type of the first variable that is my tuple is same as that of the type of the second variable that is my dictionary. The if condition is simply saying that if the type of the first variable is not same as the type of the second variable, then please print the above two variables have a different object types. Else, print that both the variables have the same object type. And as you can see in the output, the first if condition is being evaluated as true and hence it proves that the type of the first variable which is a tuple is not same as the second variable which is a dictionary. There are two different types of argument that you can pass to a type function. One is by just simply passing a single argument of which we just had a look into the example, and the second type in which you can pass the three arguments. If a single argument is passed, it returns the type of the given object, and if you pass a three argument, then it returns a new type object. The syntax is simple. You write down the name of the function that is type, first argument that is name of the type, the second one is basis, and the last one is a dictionary. I will post a dedicated video to explain the second type, that is a type function having three arguments. So please do hit the like button if you like the first content and subscribe so that you will have an update of the upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video.